Hello everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we are going to show you how to tear down or disassemble the Samsung Galaxy A31 and how to repair the same step by step. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the tear down, which you can find in the description. First, take out the SIM tray, then followed by the battery cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the rear cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. Then to pull out the back cover or create an opening, we got a back cover removal tool. Using this tool, you can pull up the back cover and any attached flex cables without damaging or reshaping it. The machine is minimizing the pulling pressure. Once you feel the opening is enough, insert a plastic carbide tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover and undo 15 screws on the rear cover frame. Using a plastic carbide tool creates an opening to separate the back cover frame. Be careful and work around on edges to separate the plastic clips. Once you take out the frame, speaker buzzer can be found in the frame. Apply little heat and take it out by a tweezer. Disconnect the battery connector and both ends on the main flex cable, which connects the LCD as well. Unplug the antenna and undo the screw to take out the main board. Now we can disconnect the front camera and rear camera. A quick note, it is not required to take off the main board to replace the front camera. There are 4 rear cameras on A31. Besides the macro camera, the other 3 camera connectors plugged on the back side of the main board. Disconnect all and give a slight force to take out the camera module. Meantime, disconnect the macro camera on the front side of the board. Now on the top of the LCD frame, by using a tweezer, take out the earpiece speaker. And again, using a tweezer or something similar tool, pull up the vibrator motor near the battery. On the bottom PCB board, first unplug the fingerprint sensor connector, then undo one more screw to take out the board. Let's move to the battery. Now Samsung phones don't have any tab to pull the adhesive strips. Let's apply a little heat on the battery and create an opening using a plastic car pry tool. Insert it. Once you have some space, use a pry tool to lift the battery. Now we can take out the battery, and the last part will be the LCD removal or replacement. Nowadays, Samsung genuine screens are coming with the frame, and also most of the aftermarket screens are coming with the frame. It will make the LCD replacement much easier and faster. Hope you have enjoyed the teardown guide for repairs. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.